Hello everyone, this is Bhagwati and in this video we are going to explore some powerful list operations like slicing, copy and splicing. These concepts will make our list manipulation super efficient and help in writing the cleaner code. Imagine you have a playlist with 10 songs, but you only want to listen the songs from 3rd to 7th. Instead of manually picking them, we can use slicing to extract the selected portion of the list. Slicing helps us extract a part of a list without modifying the original list. Let's see the syntax of the list. We slice the list with the help of its index. So, list and then the index where the slice begins, and then the index where the slice stops, which is not included, and then the number of elements to skip while slicing. Let's try out this with an example. Let's say we have a list of numbers from 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and 70. Now we want to extract only this portion of the list. So let's write print num and then the starting index. Starting index, if we want to extract this portion, then starting index is 0 and 1. So we will write 1, then colon, then the ending index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and ending index is not included, so we will write 5. Now here we got the extracted portion of our list. But if we print num, then the num will be whole list. That means it has not modified the original list, but we got an extracted portion of our list. In another example, take the same list and write print num and write the starting index, but don't write the ending index. So we will get our extracted list from 1 to till the end element of the list. Let's run. So here in Python, by default, the end index is the length of the list, last element of the list. But what if we don't write the starting index and we only write the ending index? Let's say I wrote 5. So it will extract from 0 to index 4. Let's see. So here from 0 to 4. So what if we don't write the ending and starting both the indexes? So it will print the whole original list. In Python, by default, it starts from 0 and end at the length of the list, that is last element of the list. We'll see the step in slicing. Let's take the same list here and print num starting index 1, ending index 5 and stepping of 2. Here stepping of 2 means it will start from 1 and end at index 4, and it will pick every second element of the list. That means here it will start from index 1, that is 20, then pick every second element, that is it will not print 30 but it will print 40. So let's run and see. Here it is 20 and 40. It picks every second element. What if I will write here 3? Then it will pick every third element of the list. That means here it will not print 40 but it will print 50. So you can see here clearly. On the slicing operation of a list, now we will move on to the another operation of the list, that is copy. Sometimes we need a duplicate of a list so that changes in the copied or duplicate list does not affect our original list. Let's see the syntax of the copy of a list. So the syntax is dot copy bracket. So let's say we have a list of numbers and now we want to copy list. So we will just write the name of the list dot copy in this. So here we got the copy of our list. If you make any changes in the copied list, that will not affect our original list. Copied list, let's say I have appended another number that is 5. And now let's say print copied list and print the original list. So here there is no effect or changes in the original list when we made the changes in the duplicate list. So here we understood slicing and copy operation of a list. Now let's talk about splicing, which allows us to insert or replace parts of a list at specific positions. The syntax is similar of slicing, but instead of just extracting elements, we assign new values to it. Let's see this with an example. Let's say we have a list of numbers and we want to replace 200 and 300 at the place of 20 and 30. So we will just write the name of the list, index for where we have to change the elements, that is index 1 and index 2. So and index is not included, so we will write 3. So from index 1 to index 2 it will change. So whatever the new value we want to assign, we can give here, like we want to give 200 and 300. So now let's print now. So here instead of 20 and 30, it gives us the new value 200 and 300. If instead of assigning new values to the existing elements of the list, we want to insert just new values without deleting any elements of the list. So we will take the list and now we will give index, like just after 20 I want to insert my elements, so we will give the index 2 2. That means from just after 20 we want to insert our elements, so we will insert, let's say 20 and 200 and 300. So print our list. So here just after 20 we have printed the new values inserted in the list without deleting any other element. As we understood the list operations, now let's practice them with the help of some of the questions. It's like this. Extract only the last 3 elements of the list using slicing. So let's say we have this list and we want last 3 elements. That is print list name and then starting, that is last 3 minus 3 and from till last. Minus 3 is last third element, minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3. So it will start from here and goes till the end of the element of the list. So let's say last 3 elements of the list. Now move on to the next question. Copy a list, modify the copy and print both the list. So we have this list, copy list, that is the name of the list and then copy. Now it says modify the copied list. That means we can use any modifying like copy dot append uh, 55. Now print both the lists. So print the original list and then print the copy list. This shows that modifying the copied list does not modify the original list. Now move on to the next question. Insert 3 elements at index 2 using splicing. So this is our list and we have to insert 3 elements at index 2 without deleting any of the elements of the existing list. So name of the list and then at the index 2, so 2 2 and then any 3 elements, that is let's say 3 6 and 8 I have appended. Now print the original list. So here at the index 2 we have appended another 3 elements inserted in this without deleting any existing elements of the list. Today and in this lecture we have learned how to slice a list to extract specific elements, how to copy a list, how to insert, replace and delete elements using splicing. So these are the homework challenges. Try these yourself and thank you.